lunch for 8 daycare kids, and we have a birthday boy in the house today, don't we?
Yeah!
And he brought little goodie bags, and normally I just send these home with everybody, but I'm gonna let the kids play with this Play-Doh. So I'm gonna let them play with this while I get their lunch ready. And I just got some water boiling on the stove because the birthday boy requested hot dish. So I'm gonna make like a chicken parmesan hot dish for lunch. All right, I gave them some butter knives. They're playing. Did you guys all say thank you?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Kai. Yours will not come out.
So cute. For a veggie, he requested ghost cucumbers, which is what I made on Halloween. So I'm gonna go wash some cucumbers for those. All right, when I made these ghost cucumbers on Halloween, I just, oh wait, I didn't cut off the ends. Whoops, now I messed this up already. So when I did this on Halloween, I literally just cut these in half, like that. So it was like this shape, and then, kids are so loud. And then I used a metal straw to cut out a ghost face. So, guess we're having those today. Luckily, this doesn't take very long. I thought his request was so cute and specific. I think my water is boiling, so I'm gonna go add. I'm just doing penne pasta. Okay, my ghost cucumbers are done. I accidentally broke one. But now he also requested peanut butter bananas, so I'm gonna get those ready. For these peanut butter bananas, I'm gonna give them each a half. I basically just break a banana in half and smear peanut butter on. The kids will love them. I should be careful. The kids are so loud. I should be careful saying they love things because whenever I say that, they don't eat it. And whenever I'm like, I don't know if they like this, then they eat it. Kids are just unpredictable. We need to get outside after lunch. I hear a lot of energy. I'm gonna have me a peanut butter banana at lunchtime too. I love peanut butter bananas. Then I'll go finish the pasta. I made chicken yesterday for the pasta, so I'm gonna go warm this up in the microwave. Right, my noodles are cooked. I'm gonna go strain them. I don't think I was recording. All right, I added some sauce in here, noodles, the chicken, some cheese. Heat all this together. I'll add some seasonings here too. I think I need more sauce. I am going to use up this pizza sauce from Friday when we made homemade vegetables. Added some water in there. The kids are still occupied playing Play-Doh. Probably more cheese too. That's okay, honey. We'll get it. Oregano. Onion powder, some garlic powder, and I have this Parmesan and garlic seasoning too. Alright, here's our chicken Parmesan. Can you guys all start putting your Play-Doh back in your container?
Okay, no, let's put Play-Doh in there. No, that's not help.
And here is lunch today that my birthday boy picked out. I'll give them ranch for their cucumbers if they want it too. I'm kind of disappointed in them not eating their pasta. This was the birthday boy's plate. That one didn't really touch their pasta either. And 2 more plates.